Hi, Nancy. I thought I would send you a quick video so that you don't have to go to the high schools to get tech support. Um, so I'm going to show you the way that I get access. I'm not at a St. Vrain site, so my computer's not going to detect that network. But so I click on my Wi-Fi symbol, which for me is here, and it brings up all the networks that my computer can currently detect. And I assume that if I went here, I could ask it to look for some other things as well. But notice that it's finding like FRCC students. So if you bring your machine here on campus, you should be able to select the public Wi-Fi at Boulder County campus. When I go to Erie High School and I go to Frederick High School, my computer detects the St. Vrain networks, and they usually are at the top. And there are two. There's one that's locked, and then there's one that's called Guest, Guest. It doesn't say public, it says Guest. And it also looks like it's locked. But I select that one. So pretend I'm clicking here, but because I don't want to like change my Wi-Fi setup right now on campus right now. So I usually select the Guest. And then I have to go out to a new browser. Let me move my window back up. I've opened a new browser, and I type here svvfd.org. And right now the homepage for the website will load, but when your computer is trying to connect to the district guest Wi-Fi, when you type svvsd.org, it brings up the statement that a person has to agree to then accept the guest Wi-Fi terms. So once I click accept, I get connected to the Wi-Fi, the guest Wi-Fi within 10 seconds or less. So what you should do is try those two steps on Tuesday. I don't know that it's worth a drive for you to try that out. I mean, you can try to fix that before class. If you arrive a little early, you could sit in the main office and see if you can get connected to the guest Wi-Fi. It does not require a network login. The people on at the high school sites are thinking about the locked Wi-Fi, which is not a guest account. So that would require network access. But if you're having trouble finding the Wi-Fi networks on your computer, having that network access isn't going to change that, except that you could use their machines. And so since your preference is to use your own machine, I think your job is to try to get connected to the guest Wi-Fi, because that's how I connect. I don't have a network access at all, and I'm always able to use my Wi-Fi at the high school site. So hopefully this helped. If you need to call me or text me over the weekend to try to troubleshoot this for yourself, let me know. It might be worth a try to go to a public location and see if you can connect to a public Wi-Fi somewhere else. I know you've probably done that before, but that's all this is. This SVVSD network, this guest network that does not require a user ID or a password. Okay, so just wanted to explain that to you and show you some of the steps, and let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a great weekend. Thank you.